Hello there. I've decided to automate the process of creating videos such as this. You see these videos doing very good on YouTube with several million views, and I saw this and I just decided to, okay, let me just automate this process so you don't have to sit and start downloading these free videos and concatenating them or editing to put the voiceover onto them and stuff like that. Why not we use Python? So I decided to use write a Python code that will do similar stuff like this. All you have to do is just tell it what you want to do the video about. It could be anything, and it will create this video. It will first download those videos, those free stock videos from Praxair, and it will use a command to create a script .txt file that will contain the script, and to use a script to create a voiceover, and to use the length of the voiceover to chunk down those videos it has downloaded into few seconds. It could be any seconds you want to choose. You could set them to be, say, 3 seconds. In this case, my default is 3 seconds, and so it changes the same after 3 seconds, basically, just to keep the viewer entertained. And so it will chunk those into 3 seconds and randomly select those little chunks and merge them together to form a very long video that will match the length of the audio that it has created based on the script that you tell it, which you have control over setting the number of words you want in that particular script that you should write. And so with that, you will just at the end of the day have something like this that will be with the voiceover on it and very entertaining background, depending on whatever videos you want to use in the background. And all you have to do is upload and sit and watch how you make money on YouTube. And so with this, with that said, let's just go through the process of getting this done. First, you want to go to my GitHub and pull the code. So the code is available on GitHub, and this is my GitHub. You just go to Akawas banner, and this is the name of the repo. And if you click on this green, click on this button here, you should have the link to the repo. If you copy this and come back to your terminal, in this case, if I come back to my terminal, I think I had another one, this small one. Let's use this one and do git clone and then paste the name and paste the link that you just copied here. And if you run that, I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. You will have this downloaded to your computer. That's the code. And if you go into that folder, then you should have the script. So the first one is the one that get the script. So this is where you edit to tell it what the video should be about. And then this one uses this script to generate the voiceover. And after doing that, it also downloads free, copyright free videos online, depending on the number you want. And then the last one would combine this audio on top of these videos after it has like gotten them into little chunks and randomize them to keep the viewer entertained. Okay, so before I go into VS Code to show you how to run this, let me just show you how the script looks like. For example, for the command, I asked it to give me a script for videos about so I just asked this command, write me a few paragraphs of powerful night prayer, including Bible verses for Christians. And with this, or it could be as simple as write me a short paragraph about Christian, and you could tell it the total number of words you want. In this case, I asked for 500. And let's open that script to just have a look at what it looks like. And so this is the script that I created in a few seconds. This is how it looks like, and then the voiceover of this will be saved into the audio folder here. In this case, I've not deleted it, but it's here. I could play it for you to just hear what it looks like, but at the end of the day, I'm still playing the video, so there's no need. It will first of all create the time, and the final is adjusted to like match the pitch. You could have control over the pitch. You could use a deep tune or a high voice or a tiny voice, but also you could also increase the speed of the audio. And so this one is when the settings are all applied. This one is just a raw one that if I use GTTX, it will come out as default voice for Google. And this one has been modified to fit whatever I want as a final. And this is what will be used on the videos. after they have been chopped into these very tiny pieces. And so the first is you want to get the script done. And so how about we reduce this number of words to just to keep it, since it's just an example, I will just make this to, I'll make this to be 150 words. So I'm creating a new script basically, and if I run this will run and it will create a new script, and that script will be saved into the script folder here. And so the first is I asked it to delete whatever was there, and so it has done that. That's why the folder was empty there, and now it's getting the script. Once it's done, we'll see that it's done here. Yep, it's done now. This is the script, for example. This is the new script that it generated, that is displayed here. And so after that, we want to download some videos. In this case, I would go for 3 videos, and I'll ask that they should be of the ocean. And just ocean, I just say the ocean, okay? And then you need to provide your API key. Don't use this one, this is not correct. Once you have said that, that's all. And so if you run this one, it's now downloading those videos, and it has finished downloading 3 of them. They are now in this folder called video. So if you go here now, this was empty initially, like we won't clear it here. So I've set this flag that clears the video anytime, so that I don't have like previous stuff on different project affecting the current one. And so if you open any of these videos, for example, this is one of the videos that you downloaded. If you don't like the videos, you could go for other ones, but those are like the videos that I downloaded. It looks like they are accurately designed, maybe because the name that I used was not correct. So let's redo that again. I don't know why, but it will clear that folder. So let's run that, and that has cleared the folder, and now you start downloading them, and you'll see them appear there. Yep. Let's take a look at this one. It should look different now. Yep. And if you take a look at this look different. Take a look at this, looks different. It could be about anything. Okay, we could even increase this to whatever number we want, but this is just an example. You could fine tune it to be specific, maybe area view of the ocean or whatever. This guy just type ocean, and it gave me those videos. It could be as high as 8 or whatever. It could go 30 videos, where it will take more time to download all of them. And so after you've downloaded those videos, you want to do the speech over, and that will use the script that we generated to turn those into that. So if I run this now, this is working, and it has cleared the folder. It has deleted every other stuff that we had in the previous one, and it has now created the audio. And if you now check into the audio folder, you have this final which has been created based on that. You play that to check. And then the last one is the make video, which is the one that basically combines those videos. Save there, and let's play the video and just have a look at what it looks like, for example. And so to do that, I'll just go to the terminal. It's not the right window, sorry about that. And if I open here and I go to the final video, yeah, I'm in the wrong place. Got saved into the final, and okay, I think it's one step back. So if I do PWD, it's in this particular folder. Let's go into here and let's open here. So this is where it is. So if I go to the final video, there's this video. Then just open it and play it. So it's about 42 seconds long. This is because this voiceover was 42
Lord,
seconds.
Thank you for this day. It's been a great joy having you by my side. I am very much grateful for the chance to be home, safe and comfortable. I pray that you would protect all those who are not afforded these luxuries at this time. I ask that you keep them safe and comfortable and grant them peace. Father, as I lay down to sleep, I pray that you will guard my mind against worries,